amazing people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Ngayon guys, magluluto ako ng masarap na fried chicken. Guys, i-marinate muna natin guys para mas lalong sumarap ang ating fried chicken. Una guys, lagyan natin ng garlic. Seasoning. Next, asin. Ang paminta. Sunod ang lemon. Next, ang toyo. Mix na natin, guys. Ayan, guys. I-marinate muna natin ito, guys. Mga 15 to 20 minutes. Ayan, para mas lalong sumarap ang ating fried chicken. Para malasa.
Much later.
Guys, lutuin na natin ang fried chicken. Lagyan na natin ng mantika.
A few inches later.
Guys, una guys, lagyan natin ng harina. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng cornstarch.
A few inches later.
Baliktarin na natin, guys.
A few inches later.
Wow, ayan guys, luto na guys. Haunin na natin to. Ayan na guys, luto na ang ating fried chicken. Ayan guys, ang sarap nito guys. Ayan, brown na brown.
Wow!
Ganyan naman yan guys. Oh. Ayan, titikman na natin guys. Lutong Annie Rose. Wow! Sarap nito guys. Ayan, titikman na natin. Hello guys! Shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout to Thailand, Cambodia Travel, Last Vlog, Win Vlogs. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep safe always. Kiss, Miss Kyla, Karen Lunsod, Magnus Harlin, and Chelsea Vlogs. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell button para maging updated kayo sa aking upcoming videos. See you guys on my next video. Bye!